Let's take a look at what some third grade citizen scientists at Edgewood Intermediate learned about the 3 R's with the help of an environmental educator during our Friday Zone field trip. Not only does she get to drive the Enviromobile, one of the coolest vehicles on the road, we think that Elisa Pocrell, Media Director and Education Director with the Monroe County Solid Waste Management District, has a pretty cool job. Miss Elisa, as kids at Edgewood Intermediate School like to call her, teaches children and adults about the importance of taking care of the earth.
The mission of our district is to reduce waste and divert materials from the landfill. My purpose as an environmental educator and a media and education director is to teach the art and science of becoming environmentally friendly and inspire people to make it a routine in their lives.
In her role as environmental educator, Miss Elisa empowers children to become citizen scientists. The Friday Zone field crew and I had the chance to meet a whole room full of citizen scientists, aka earth-friendly third graders, at Edgewood Intermediate.
What we do, we teach them to be a citizen scientist. A citizen scientist is an ordinary person who does extraordinary things. And being a citizen scientist and knowing your science starts before you even go to the store. Because as in some of my sessions I ask, are you earth-friendly? Think about how you act on a daily basis, how your family acts on a daily basis. Are you, first of all, reducing waste in the first place, and then reusing, and then recycling?
Lucas, a third grader, really understands what it means to be earth-friendly.
If you're friendly to the earth will be friendly to you.
During the interactive presentation titled The Power of One, Miss Elisa engages children first by introducing them to an earth-friendly song with accompanying movements, and then by challenging them to become smart shoppers. Smart shoppers not only save money and reduce trash, they consider 4 important points before making a purchase. Here's what Lucas is going to think about the next time he's ready to make a purchase.
I learned to make sure that they have good use. They have the right price, they have the right durability, and they're earth-friendly.
Several third grade volunteers had the chance to play Miss Elisa's earth-friendly shopper game. During the game, the students were presented with several items for purchase and then asked to select the most earth-friendly option. Katie, a third grader, was presented with the challenge of choosing between eggs packaged in 2 very different kinds of cartons.
I picked these brand of eggs that you can recycle, and I picked the one that was right, and everyone did ding ding ding, and I got it right.
Addie, another third grader, was presented with a common picnicking dilemma during the earth-friendly shopper game: which type of plate to pick.
I was picking, if I was on a picnic, I would pick the right plate. And I picked just the regular plate that you use, not a paper plate or a plate. Well, you could not reuse the plastic plate, and you could reuse the plate from home. And you could just wash it and reuse it as long as you want.
During her presentation, Miss Elisa shared 3 important secrets with the children.
The first one is kids can make a difference. The second one is treasure and trash. That means there's stuff we can recycle, and then in trash, and then there would be less trash.
And the third secret is that the power of one becomes the power of many. For example,
one person can actually start and maybe talk to people to help them recycle, and like Miss Elisa does, she kind of helps people recycle.
Third graders aren't the only ones who have the power of one. According to Miss Elisa, the power is within all of us.
Now the power of one comes in because as a citizen scientist, ordinary people who do extraordinary things, we have the power each day to do something extraordinary. And you don't have to be a superhero to make a difference. Everyone can make a difference. It starts with your waste, okay, in your household, okay, in whatever, in your business, in your home. So the power of one really becomes the power of many, because when one person does something, it has a cumulative effect. It inspires other people.
The significance of the power of one is certainly understood by the third graders at Edgewood Intermediate.
I can make a difference.
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 Although we all have the power of one, it's our responsibility to use it on Earth Day and every day.
Friday Zone viewers, you have the power to make a difference by reducing, reusing, and recycling.